Welcome everybody to Mr. 3D. So Physical Starlight and Atmosphere version 1.4 beta is now available on Blender Market, and this version comes with a couple of cool updates that I think you're gonna love them. So the major update is the clouds update, and in this video you are gonna see how cool it is. Now if you would like to grab this add-on, I will leave the link in the description which will bring you right here and you can read more about it. Before we start, make sure to subscribe if you already have not subscribed and turn on notifications so that you won't miss any future uploads. Now let's jump straight into it. Go ahead and fire up Blender. Once you purchase the add-on, go over to Edit, Preferences and install the zip file that you have downloaded from Blender Market. Once you install it, press N on your keyboard and you will notice that we have a new panel right here. Now in order to get this up and running, you just have to click this box right here to enable this, and to view the sky you just simply have to go to EV rendered mode right here. As you can see, we have all this beautiful sky. Now I have already talked about all these settings in my previous video, which I will leave the link in the description if you want to check out how all these settings work. And in this video we are only gonna take a look at clouds update. Click right here to enable clouds, and all of a sudden you will see that we have beautiful clouds going right here, and you can change the scale just like that. You can change the thickness of the clouds. I wanna go with 20, which is really cool, and scale to 1. Then we have coverage, and the coverage is really cool. The minimum and the maximum coverage should be round about here, and yeah, that looks cool. And then you have lightning intensity, how much the sunlight will affect the clouds color, and self-shadowing clouds, which is really cool. Directional power, awesome, and the in-scattering of color. Now once the version will come out, you are gonna see a lot more features to play around with and control the clouds. So make sure to grab it. That's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this update in the comment section below. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you're new here, it's gonna be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any future uploads. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.